How to delete PolyBuzz account. Want to permanently delete your PolyBuzz account? Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do that. So to get started, go ahead and log in to your PolyBuzz account using your username and your password. Now to be able to delete your account, scroll down until you find the very bottom of this page and then click on this delete account button under the legal section. So that will take you into this section. So in here, go ahead and confirm this agreement by checking on this checkbox. Make sure that you read this account deletion agreement. So to ensure the security of your account, please read about the consequences of account deletion. Account deletion is not the same as logging out, and once canceled, it cannot be undone. Your private data, including created characters, search history, chat logs with any characters, your favorites, your memories, interaction data, and other records would be irreversibly deleted and cannot be recovered upon account deletion. Now, to be able to delete your account, check the checkbox and click on this delete button to confirm deleting your account. And that's it. Your PolyBuzz account is now deleted. Remember, this action is permanent.